Day 8. Talking about likes and dislikes. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today is day 8 of our English speaking series. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to talk about things we like, things we love, and things we don't like. We will practice talking about food, hobbies, and movies. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to say sentences like, I like pizza. I love watching movies. I don't like cooking. My favorite movie is Titanic. So, get ready to speak English with me. Let's begin. I like, the first expression is, I like, we use I like when we enjoy something. For example, I like pizza. Repeat after me. I like pizza. Good. Here are some more examples. I like coffee. I like music. I like swimming. I like watching movies. I like reading books. Now, let's practice together. I'll say the sentence first. Then you repeat. I like pizza. I like coffee. I like music. I like swimming. I like watching movies. Excellent. Now let's make it more personal. Think about something you like. Maybe you like pizza, chocolate, football, traveling, reading, or music. Now complete this sentence. I like, for example, I like chocolate. Your turn. I like, great. I love. Now let's make our sentence stronger. Instead of saying, I like pizza, we can say, I love pizza. I love means we like something very much. For example, I love chocolate. I love music. I love traveling. I love watching movies. I love weekends. Repeat after me. I love pizza. I love music. I love traveling. I love watching movies. Very good. Now think about something you really enjoy. Complete this sentence. I love. For example, I love coffee. Now you. I love. Excellent. Remember, I like means I enjoy it. I love means I enjoy it very much. I don't like. Now let's talk about things we don't enjoy. The expression is, I don't like. For example, I don't like onions. I don't like spicy food. I don't like running. I don't like horror movies. I don't like waking up early. Repeat after me. I don't like onions. I don't like spicy food. I don't like running. I don't like horror movies. Great. Now think of something you don't like. Maybe broccoli, spicy food, cleaning, running, or scary movies. Complete the sentence. I don't like. Your turn. I don't like. Excellent. And remember, we usually say, I don't lick, not, I know like. I don't like is the correct English expression. My favorite is. Now let's learn one of the most useful expressions. My favorite food is. We use this expression when we want to talk about the thing we like the most. For example, my favorite food is pizza. My favorite color is blue. My favorite hobby is reading. My favorite movie is Avatar. My favorite sport is football. Repeat after me. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite hobby is reading. My favorite movie is Avatar. My favorite sport is football. Excellent. Now you try. My favorite food is. Your turn. Good. Now, my favorite movie is. And my favorite hobby is. Very good. Talking about food. Now let's practice a short conversation about food. Listen first. Question. What food do you like? Answer. I like pizza. Question. What food do you love? Answer. I love chocolate. Question. What food don't you like? Answer. I don't like onions. Question. What is your favorite food? Answer. My favorite food is pizza. Now let's do it together. I'll ask you the question. You answer. What food do you like? What food do you love? What food don't you like? What is your favorite food? Great job. Talking about hobbies. Now let's talk about hobbies. You can say, I like reading. I love traveling. I like playing football. I don't like running. My favorite hobby is cooking. Let's practice. Complete these sentences. I like. I love. I don't like. My favorite hobby is. Excellent. You are doing great. Talking about movies. Now let's talk about movies. You can say, I like comedy movies. I love action movies. I don't like horror movies. My favorite movie is Spider-Man. Let's practice one more time. What kind of movies do you like? I like movies. What kind of movies do you love? I love movies. What kind of movies don't you like? I don't like movies. And finally, my favorite movie is excellent. Quick quiz. Now it's quiz time. Choose the correct sentence. You really enjoy pizza. I don't like pizza. B. I love pizza. C. My favorite pizza. The answer is B. I love pizza. You don't enjoy running. I don't like running. B. I love running. C. I like running. The answer is I don't like running. You like pizza more than any other food. I like pizza. B. I love pizza. C. My favorite food is pizza. The answer is C. My favorite food is pizza. Great job. Final speaking practice. Now let's finish with one final challenge. Tell me about yourself. Say, I like, I love, I don't like, my favorite food is, my favorite hobby is, my favorite movie is. Say your answers out loud. Don't worry about making mistakes. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for day 9. Keep practicing English every day. See you in the next lesson. Bye.